What's going on, everybody? Mike here doing some more hard resets for you. Today we got a OnePlus AT, and if you have one of these and it has a password or pattern that you don't remember what it is, we'll do a hard reset on this, and this is how you do it. As always, just remember when you guys do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if there's anything important on the phone that you need, it will get deleted. So just bear that in mind when doing this. You have your power button on this side, and on the other side you have your volume up and your volume down. I'm going to hold power and volume up at the same time to turn it off, and we'll turn it off. Once it's off, we can get into the reset. If you guys find this helpful, I'd appreciate, like, comment, subscribe, do what you got to do. But let's get right into it. So we're going to hold volume down and power button at the same time. So I'm going to start by holding volume down and then the power button. And once the phone turns off, you can let go of the power button after a few seconds, but just keep holding the volume down. And then it gets us here, and it wants you to do the password again, but you obviously don't remember it, so you hit forgot password. And then reminding you that you will lose everything on the phone, you confirm OK. And this can't be undone, OK. And you can use touch, or you can use the buttons to navigate if your touch doesn't work. Your volume downs usually are allow you to move up and down from a selection, and then power button is a select. So there it is, your hard reset, all done on this device, on the OnePlus AT. If you guys have any comments, you're having trouble with the device, just drop a comment, let me know. Otherwise, if you want to like, subscribe, do what you got to do, I'd appreciate it. Otherwise, talk to you guys soon. Thanks.